Hi mga ka-agriculture! Look at me. This is Pandora. You wanna buy some? Oh, diba? Oh, nice one.
Are you together? Yeah, I know. It's not the same, but I know the. Yeah. Would you say rice pearl? This one. It's a rice pearl.
It's really nice, guys.
The shape, the shape.
The pearl more prettier because of the
The shape is this one.
person is wearing.
Egg pearl.
Babe, eat some, babe. Pila po ni madam?
500 na siya.
500.
Eh, pearl man, ma'am.
Yes, real pearl. Yes. Talking about this one.
It's okay, madam.
The large one, madam.
Thank you.
That one is egg pearl.
Hi mga madam, manimahaw, manihapon. Manimahaw, manihapon. Ah, there's a chicken, so they can't have the pancit. How's is it? Good? Not salty?
Not too bad.
We have black also.
I wish
think,
there was some calamansi.
Pearl.
oh,
You don't
I
have?
think,
No.
I think every time when we order, you should tell them, I don't
If you
want
want
salty.
also, we have ring.
Oh, I'm okay with
Ah,
salty.
okay. Ah, I see.
He's not okay with salty.
Hmm.
This tastes fine.
This is my friend. Say hi to my friend.
The XL, the large one.
Ano siya? Hilig niya siya. Madam, that's really good for you, madam.
Sarap.
Yeah, you look so pretty with that. You can wear it at work. Hi guys. I'm from
What?
vacation. Damn. Guys, magpansit ka guys kay pampahaba ng buhay. Madam, tagpila na among kana madam ay. Madam, kana earrings nimo ba?
Ay, kanina. 350, ma'am.
Ay, abi ko tag 100. I like this one. But it's so expensive. Tapos yung ano, plastic.
Maganda yung ginis niya.
Yeah, I like the earrings, but
We have pearl.
this one looks so fake.
Hindi yung isa.
Pamahal man, 400. But that's a real one.
All together, we have earrings, madam.
Hello mga ka-agriculture, you can choose.
Ano pwede na bigay 700 ng dalawa.
Yung ano,
Yung earrings tsaka yung bracelet.
sa kanya, yung ito na bracelet na ganito.
Hindi, yung isa.
Yung sa kanya, 700. They're not together.
Ano?
Madam, nabad ako no kay itong Pandora, madam. Pandora ko kay this one. Ikaw, madam ba? Imuha ba? Uy, imuha.
Pero okay naman, ma'am. Hindi naman kumukuha niya, ma'am. Pilian na siya, ma'am. Hindi, wala ka black here. Ano ito? Bluish.
You can choose first.
Not just choose ano, I think yung
Hi guys, you want this one?
pero kung ano kung yung dalawa
Yeah.
700.
I told you, you want me to buy something. Who wants me to be pretty? Always.
Well, when I'm walking beside you, I have to look good, you know.
What do you think this one?
I like which one?
This one or this one?
You
I
like
think, madam, this is your favorite one. Green.
Oh, the green.
Yeah.
That would be turtles. That's cute.
Yeah. Ate, asa to yung mga usa gani ate? Ganina? Ah, like ko na siya. Pwede laksiyon, madam? Kira? Nga anong nisod man dyan mo dire? Nga nang nanong man mo dire? Why you're coming here now? Ha? Mga kagre, tanaw ra guni sila o na matindira ay. Tindira sa balikasag.
Ma'am, kuha mo ng earrings na, ma'am.
Eh, magil. Eh.
Kuhan sa imuhang kuhan ba? Pearl. Ay, ring, ma'am. Ring. The same sa imuhang kuhan. yan, Pandora.
Yeah, this is nice. I like this one. Hangyoon ganini na ho.
Problema mo hangyo man na
Wala problema ang hangyo.
Mao jud. Negosyante gani ko magpahanyo magpug ko. Paliti ko kamuti be. Ma'am, paliti ko kamuti. Oh, madam, bakit
Kamote.
mga ano kamuti oh, gikan pa ning sagbayan. Dili naman sila.
Salamat kayo ma.
Para dili gansi ning ari kay basi dagli may mamalit ni wa pa may kaon. At least busog.
Pati kan si ma'am. Pero lamig dito mo palit po ka.
This one sir, the large one.
You can try that. You can try that.
The large one, madam.
Madam, pila ni madam?
Madam, kailangan mo Pandora, madam.
I like this.
Ma'am, 500 na siya, ma'am.
Why it's too expensive?
Because Pandora, ma'am.
Pandora. Who is Pandora? Can I talk to Pandora?
Napoy mermaid ang iyang kuan mo. Yang
I think I like this one. Bagay sila dito. Pink. No? You like the pink? Or you like
Pwedeng
the
700 yung dalawa.
How about the small one?
500?
How about the medium white? Try out.
Pearl talaga yan.
This one, the black
I don't know.
Can we make sure Simone is paying a fair price with her pearls?
What if that is not a real pearl? What should we do?
Madam,
What if that is not a real
you come
one?
back here and I will...
Oh, so you need to pay $200, 20,000 pesos just to come back at
Doon ka magreklamo.
sa
Barangay.
anong barangay?
Doon nga, benta ka ng fake. Hindi siya yung barangay.
ito lang yung hanap buhay namin.
Matagal na kami dito, ma'am.
Ito lang yung hanap buhay.
12 years old when I was 12 before.
I see. Really nice.
Before have a lot of guests, Japanese, Korean, Chinese. Anything.
You like this color or you like the white one?
Ano, matching ng bracelet?
Yeah, this one.
Matching yun.
Yeah.
May white ka naman yan.
I don't have white. Yung white kasi na ano, the other one missing. But I like this one too. I don't know who's these things. Who own this one and who own this one? Madam, 500.
Rare color.
Tanan mo.
Yun na.
Isa man ang riyod mo na day na.
Ano sa man? Kani ako ah?
Kani.
Ay, di na.
Iya ka madam ni ay.
Asa man ang
Day
earrings?
na ba? Day na.
Ah, kani, kani.
Yeah, imo nang earrings.
Ma'am, back front na ni ma'am.
Beb.
I ate a lot already.